How to set up D810 on Mac via USB cable. Before installation, power on printer and connect it to computer via USB cable. Press power button. The side of the paper with black markings faces downwards. Put the paper smoothly into the paper inlet. Visit www.polono.com. Click on Support Driver and User Manual. Find D810 and then click on Driver. Download driver file. Tips: you can also download the driver from the UDiskin package. Choose the driver installation package to install. You can check if printer has been successfully set up through setting "printer and scanning." Troubleshooting. If you cannot find the D810 printer in the setting, try to click on Add Printer, Scanner and Add D810 Printer. Open the file you need and choose D810 to print. Remember to choose the D810 printer and the paper size you use to print.